What's up, creators? It's your boy, Mad Mike. And on today's episode, we got a ton of new parts for the Pontiac Fiero Ferrari KitCar project. So stay tuned, check it out. Woo! Alright guys, so I went down to the city in Vancouver. I live in Canada, and there's a guy down there named Brian, and he was giving away a ton of Fiero parts for free. So I made the hour-and-a-half trip down to Vancouver, loaded up the back of my truck with a ton of parts. Check it out. Check this out. I got a ton of good parts. I got interior panels, door panels, I got gauge clusters, I got 4 sets of these, so stoked on that. And back here, we have boxes full of headers, interior parts, exterior parts. I got 3 complete steering columns with the steering wheels and ignitions, which is amazing. I got some windshield visor area parts, or whatever you want to call these, that go below the windshield. I've got about 6 fans and the shrouds. I've got a box full of air intakes, gas components, a bunch of random odds and ends. I got 2 full radiators down there with all the hoses, wiring, and fans. And the good thing is, I got the piece of door glass that I need. This is what I really needed, was the driver's side door. Good thing is, I got 2 doors, so if I ever break the passenger side, I got a spare. But yeah, originally I just wanted that 1 glass, but Brian was giving away all of his Fiero stuff for free. Another cool thing, he hooked me up with some F250 bushwhacker fenders, so I can cover up all my rust. Stoked on that. Just down at the sea can right now, where the Ferrari 355 KitCar project is stored, and I got to try to make some room in here to keep the rest of the Fiero parts. So let's start clearing it out and unloading all these bins, see what we got. So yeah, we got a ton of parts, which is awesome. I got a lot of spares for the current Testarossa kit that we're building right now, but I'm also building a Ferrari 355 Spider replica for my dad. A ton of parts that we needed for that project also. I've already gone ahead and installed new side glass. So I'm stoked that we got these new switches in, because before the door glass would take forever to go up and down, but now these contacts on these switches are amazing. So the windows go up and down, lickety split. We'll go ahead, fire up the project car, and I'll show you the operation. All right, let's see if this bad girl fires up. Got the fuel pump prime up. All right, so I got the car fired up. I'll show you guys the operation of the window switches. Let's see how quick these windows go up and down. There you go, not bad. It's like a 2019 model. Before, these windows went up and down in like probably a minute. Now it's probably about 10 seconds. All right, passenger side. That one's a little sticky. Got to put some grease in the slides to help the rollers go up and down. So I am stoked on that, guys. We got the much needed window glass in, driver's side door glass. I put the windshield in not too long ago. I made a video about that as well. So we got the glass for the sunroof, door glass, windshield in. That means that all the glass in this project car is in and complete. Stoked. So we can park this thing out in the weather, wash the car with water. So I also went ahead and installed a new throttle position sensor, pretty much in brand new condition. I got a complete throttle body from all the parts I got from Brian also. So I went ahead and stripped off the TPS sensor and installed it. I did have to drill out that bottom screw because the corrosion inside here, the screw just snapped off. So I had to drill out the old screw, retap it. So I got 2 screws in it. Everything's sturdy, so it's helping the car idle a lot better now as well. Got a new intake filter on it for now too, sucking a lot more air, which is good. The old one was super clogged up and dusty, so it's breathing good. It's got good throttle position now. I just got to get my IAC valve to self-adjust because I got to take the car on the road and go over 40 kilometers an hour for a couple of minutes apparently. But once that's all set up, I cannot wait to take this car on the road. The car is completely sealed up, so I can now go ahead and wash it if I need to. Brackets off probably sometime this week, sand them down, paint everything black, so that project will be all tidied up. Right now we just got all the grills sitting in here, testing out the fit. We got it all sprayed black. Make sure to go check out that video. Unbolt all this wing bracket this week, bring it into the paint booth, spray it all black. So that's just a quick little update on the Ferrari Project KitCar. Thanks for watching. I know this one here was a short one, but I just wanted to give you guys an update, and I'm pretty excited about getting all these free Fiero parts. So I'll put Brian's link down below. You got to go check out his channel. He's a super nice guy. He's an incredible painter. He's got his own painting service that he does out of his house, but it's top-notch professional work. I know I do some kind of Rust-Oleum paint jobs. It's not super professional. So if you want to check out a more legitimate professional way of doing paint jobs, go check out Brian's channel. He donated all these parts to the project for free, so it's much appreciated. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.